Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by forcing the app to stop and clearing its temporary data so you can isolate the problem. Open Settings, go to Apps, locate App Vault, force stop it, then clear cache. This removes corrupt temp files. Next, confirm you have at least 500 MB free storage because low space causes crashes. Once done, reboot the phone to flush system resources and reopen App Vault to see if the crash persists. If it still stops, move on to targeted app and system checks. You now handle the app state and possible conflicts. If clearing cache didn't help, clear App Vault data or reset its settings to remove bad configurations. This resets widgets and preferences. Make sure App Vault is updated or reinstall it from the official store so you have the latest bug fixes. Also review recent installs and disable modules or apps that integrate with the launcher. Conflicts often cause repeated stopping. Once you narrow it down, test after each change to identify the exact cause. Finish by ensuring system-level compatibility. Install any pending OS or launcher updates and reboot. Compatibility fixes often arrive via updates. If the issue persists, create a new user profile to test App Vault in a clean environment without your settings. This isolates account-specific problems. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset only after confirming the app still fails in a new profile. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.